Welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video I am going to show you the practical question of chapter 4 from the book Informatic Practice, CBSE Computer Science. So the first question is, we have to take the value of principal amount, rate, time, and show the simple interest to the user. For that question, first we'll define a variable PA and we'll take the value from the user. After PA I will write as int because we have to convert the value to integer. By default Python store the value as string. For that reason we have to convert it to integer. Then we'll take the value of r and t. After that we'll calculate the simple interest, like SI equal the formula of simple interest, which is PA into R into T divide 100. At last line we'll display the output, like simple interest, which is just a string. We'll keep inside quotation comma the variable SI. So these are the commands or codes for the question number 1. After writing the commands, we'll go to run module. Here we'll write the amount of personal amount or principal amount. Suppose it is 50,000. Now we'll write the rate. Suppose it is 7% and the time is 5 years. So the simple interest is 17,500. So this way we can solve the question number 1. Now move back to question number 2. Here write a program to obtain temperature of 7 days from Monday to Sunday and display the average temperature of the week. For that reason we'll have to take 7 variables, like for Monday MON equal input. Have to convert the value, so int input enter temperature of Monday. Then bracket close. Now copy the first line, then paste it 6 times. 1 2 2 3 4 5 6. Next line, in place of Monday write Tuesday, TUE. Third line Wednesday, WED. Fourth line Thursday, THU. Fifth line Friday, FRI. Then Saturday, SAT, and Sunday, SUN, and so on. Here also change the name of the day. Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now we have to calculate the average. For that we'll take a variable avg equal, as here there are 7 values or 7 variables, so we'll plus all the variables together. Mon plus Tuesday plus Wed plus Thursday plus Friday plus Saturday plus Sunday. Then we'll divide all the numbers by 7 because there are 7 numbers. That's why dividing by 7. Now you have to display the value of average. For that, print statement. Print like average temperature is the name of the variable, which is AVG. First, to run the program, first you have to save the program. After saving, go to run, then run module. Here it will ask you to enter the temperature of Monday. Suppose it is 32, Tuesday it is 34, Wednesday 30, then 32, 31 and 33. Last one 30. So here you will get the temperature is 31.71428, some like that numbers. So this is the average temperature of last 7 days. This way you can solve the question number 2. Then move back to question number 3. Write a program that reads a number in seconds and print in minutes and seconds. Means we'll take a number from user where the user will enter the seconds and we have to convert it to minute and seconds. For that, first we will define a variable as t equal, we'll take the value from input. For that, int input, enter the time in second. Bracket 2 times closed. Then we have to convert, calculate the minutes. To calculate the minutes, we will define a variable m equal t floor divide 60, because in a minute there are 60 seconds and 2/ means it's floor divide. It gives us only the round figure, it doesn't count the decimals. Again we have to calculate the seconds, remaining seconds. For that, s equal t modulus 60, means we'll divide the second by 60 and whatever will be remainder it will keep as seconds. Now we have to display the value. For that, we'll write the statement as print. Suppose I will write the answer as like 7 minutes and 30 seconds. The answer should be displayed like this way. For that, we will write first m comma minutes and quotation close comma, for the variable for second it is s, again quotation seconds, quotation close, bracket close. Now save the file and run. Now enter the time in seconds. Suppose it's 4:30, so it will be 7 minutes and 10 seconds. So this way we can solve the question number 3. Here t 2 times slash 60, it means it's give us only the whole numbers, and the second equation or expression t modulus 60, it give us the remainder. This way we can do the question number 3. Now move back to question number 4. Write a program that takes cells for 4 quarters, then display the total sales and average sales made. So we have to take input of 4 quarters. For that, we have to take 4 variables. Suppose we'll take the variables as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So first we'll write Q1 quarter 1 equal int input enter the cells of first quarter. Next line Q2 again we'll write the same line for that. I'll not write again and again. We can do copy paste. Copy the first line and paste it. Just change the value to Q2 here second. Now move to third line. Here Q3 and third. Now Q4 for quarter 4 and here fourth. Now we have to calculate the total and average. For total we'll define as T equal, we'll add all the numbers Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4, and again we have to calculate the average for that A PG equal T divide 4, because there are 4 numbers, that's why dividing by 3. Now we have to display the values. For that we'll use print statement. Print here bracket are missing 1. So print, suppose first I'll display the value of total. So total comma T, again the value of average, print average comma avg, bracket close. Now save the program and run it. So it's asking me to enter the sales of first quarter. Suppose it is 5 lakhs, then 6 lakhs, then 5.5 lakhs, then 10 lakhs. Enter. Here are the numbers: 26 lakhs 50,000 and average is 6 lakhs 62,500. This way we can solve the question number 4. We'll discuss question number 5 and 6 in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.